Hi everyone, I'm Behnaz and in this video I'm going to walk you through my fitness planner step by step. If you have ever felt motivated to start tracking your workouts and then stopped after a week because it felt confusing or overwhelming, this fitness planner was made for you. Everything starts in the Setup tab. This is where you customize the planner to fit your life. First, you add your workout categories, for example, legs, arms, back, and more. You can add up to 12 workout categories. Inside each category, you can add up to 30 exercises completely personalized to your routine. This makes your weekly planning fast and flexible later. Next, you add your meals with full nutrition values: calories, protein, fat, sugar, and carbs. You only do this once, and the planner will remember everything for you. And finally, you add your daily habits, for example, drinking water, sleep, or supplements. Once this setup is done, everything else becomes automatic. This is the meals and nutrition log. Here, instead of typing food details every day, you simply select your meals from a drop-down menu. As soon as you select a meal, all the nutrition values, calories, protein, fat, sugar, and carbs fill in automatically. Your daily totals are calculated instantly, so you always know exactly what you are consuming without extra effort. This is perfect if you want structure but don't want to overthink every meal. This is the weekly workout planner where your training comes to life. For each day, you select your muscle group and exercise from drop-down list and enter your measures, reps, sets, weight, or time. You can also easily mark a day as a rest day with one click. For each day, you can have cardio exercises in a separated section. And also for each day, you can select up to 3 habits to track. At the top of the weekly page, you will see your weekly stats, so you don't have to guess how consistent you have been. This layout helps you plan ahead, stay focused during workouts, and clearly see what you've completed. After setting your weekly plan, you can print it and take it to the gym with yourself. Now this is where everything comes together, the monthly dashboard. Each week is connected automatically, so your monthly stat updates by themselves. You can see your progress, your workout consistency, and your nutrition overview all in one place. You also get visual progress charts, smart monthly calendar, and autofill tracking based on your weekly entries. Instead of flipping through pages or files, you get a full picture of your month at a glance. This is where motivation builds because your progress becomes visible. Thank you for watching. You can find the link of this planner in the description and subscribe my channel for more videos.